Hi everyone, today on Grayson's Kitchen, I'm going to be making 3 easy big game day appetizers. Pepperoni pizza sliders, honey hot chicken wings, and a buffalo chicken wing dip that are perfect for the big game on Sunday. Let's go ahead and get started. Starting with the pepperoni pizza sliders, the ingredients call for Hawaiian rolls, pepperoni, pizza sauce, shredded and sliced mozzarella cheese, butter, and garlic paste. First things first, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Next, we're gonna go ahead and slice our Hawaiian rolls. I'll lay my serrated knife right on the tray, and that gives me a guide, and it's usually kind of perfect right through the tops. And most of the time, it'll come off as one big piece. We're hoping. But if it doesn't, that's okay too. There we go, just like that. Next, we'll be adding our pizza sauce. And I'm just gonna eyeball this. These pepperoni pizza sliders are an easy game day appetizer and perfect party food. Now we're gonna top these with sliced mozzarella. They wouldn't be sliders without cheese, right? Next, we're coming in with our pepperoni. Now I'm using turkey pepperoni, and honestly, I can't tell a difference in this and the regular. And I love a lot of pepperoni. And now for more cheese, this is my shredded mozzarella. Now this makes 12 sliders. So now we're gonna pop the top back on these. I'm just gonna do this in a couple of steps. Y'all, I think I can do this. Okay, y'all, next I'm gonna melt a half a stick of butter, and then we're gonna add some garlic paste to this, and we're going to brush the tops with them. We're gonna add our garlic paste in, maybe a tablespoon. Give that a good stir. And now we've just made garlic butter. And you know how a pizza has that garlicky butter crust? That's pretty much what we're doing now. And we'll go ahead and give these a good brush. Oh, these are gonna be so good. Oh, I can't wait to try these, y'all. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and cover these loosely with a little bit of foil. We're gonna pop them in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes or so, and then we'll take the foil off and then we'll bake in the last 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get them in the oven. Okay, 350 degrees, 20 minutes. Okay, that's been about 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and take the foil off. Now we're just gonna pop them in here for 5 minutes, uncovered. Oh yeah, look at those sliders. Those look really good. They look nice and golden brown. Can't wait to get these plated up and give them a try. Okay, y'all, this is the moment of truth. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. These are absolutely delicious. The pizza sauce comes immediately through. The garlic butter comes right after. This really tastes just like a pizza. This is a quick and easy, very simple recipe to pull together. You cannot go wrong with these pepperoni pizza sliders. And up next, I'm gonna be making my hot honey chicken wings. So let's go ahead and get started. These honey hot chicken wings are a simple, crowd-pleasing game day food with the perfect sweet and spicy flavor, and the ingredients call for, of course, chicken wings. Now these have already been cleaned and patted dry. We're going to use honey, we're going to use onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, Frank's hot sauce, ranch dressing, and salt. I'm going to be making these honey hot chicken wings in my oven. Now my oven does have an air fryer feature on it, and I'll be utilizing that. It's set for 360 degrees, and I'm gonna put those in for about 30 minutes or so. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our chicken wings. And again, these have all been cleaned and patted dry. My hands have been cleaned. So let's go ahead and start our next step, which we're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil on. Now the olive oil drizzle is to help all of our other ingredients adhere to the chicken wings. I'm gonna use our onion powder. Next up is our garlic powder, a generous amount, black pepper, a little bit of kosher salt, a little bit of smoked paprika. Next step is to get in here and toss. Now my hands are clean. Anytime that you deal with raw chicken, you want to make sure that you wash your hands immediately afterwards. You just want to make sure that everything's coated down. Okay, now that all of our chicken wings have been coated, let me wash my hands. And now we're just gonna pour these right out on my parchment lined cookie sheet. Okay, so let's go ahead and pop these in the oven at 360 degrees. These will be in for about 30 minutes. And in they go. While our wings are in the oven, we're gonna go ahead and start our honey hot sauce. So in a medium saucepan over medium heat, we're gonna go ahead and take a half a stick of butter. Next, we're coming in with a half a cup of Frank's hot sauce. Then we're gonna come in with a third of a cup of honey. Hence the honey hot. We're just going to give that a good stir and let all this melt down. We'll just keep an eye on that. Let's go ahead and get our wings out of the oven. Oh yeah, those look amazing. We're going to let those rest for just about 2 minutes. We're going to pop them in this mixing bowl. Those look good. And the air fryer feature, for any of you who have never used it and you have it on your oven, it really works well, you can see. So next we're gonna use our honey hot sauce, and we're just gonna pour this right over. Oh yeah, y'all. And again, it's just butter, honey, and Frank's hot sauce. That's it. And now we're just gonna toss. You just wanna coat these real well. Okay, there we go. Okay, y'all, let's give these honey hot chicken wings a taste. I've been waiting for a while to do this. And I have ranch dressing as my dipping sauce. Oh yeah. I immediately get the heat from the Frank's hot sauce along with the honey. It is a perfect combination of sweet and spicy. These will be a hit for the big game day on Sunday. And my third and final appetizer today is my buffalo chicken wing dip. The ingredients call for chicken, cream cheese, Monterey Jack cheese, Frank's Red Hot sauce, ranch dressing, and chips of your choice. You can't have game day without an easy buffalo chicken dip. This one is creamy, simple, and always a hit, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and melt our cream cheese over medium-low heat. We just need to melt this until it's nice and creamy. Okay, next we're going to stir in a half a cup of ranch dressing. You can use blue cheese, but I prefer ranch. A fourth of a cup of Frank's Red Hot sauce. And now we're going to stir in our shredded chicken. And again, I took about 4 chicken tenderloins, seasoned them, popped them in my air fryer, shredded them, and here we go. I probably should have used a larger saucepan, but this is the one I grabbed first. We're going to go ahead and remove this from the heat, and we're going to fold in half of our Monterey Jack cheese. And just fold that in. Next, we're going to transfer our mixture into this 8x8 Pyrex. And now we're just going to top it with our remaining Monterey Jack cheese. If you enjoy easy recipes and simple game day food, make sure to like and subscribe to Grayson's Kitchen for more quick, everyday meals. Let's go ahead and pop this buffalo chicken wing dip in a 350-degree oven for about 10 or 15 minutes or until the cheese is nice and melted. Okay, y'all, let's see what we have. Okay, here it is, y'all, right out of the oven, piping hot. Okay, y'all, I'm ready to give this buffalo chicken wing dip a taste. It looks and smells incredible. All right, here it goes. Well, that is really, really good. The Frank's Red Hot sauce is coming through. The spice on the chicken is coming through. The cheese, the Monterey Jack cheese is excellent, y'all. This buffalo chicken wing dip is really awesome. I believe that's going to be my new favorite dip, and that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if so, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as it does help me to continue to grow my channel and bring more content like this to you. Thanks for watching Grayson's Kitchen, where we keep recipes easy, simple, and delicious. I'll see you next time.